Unlock Your Potential, the ultimate guide to self-improvement and why it matters. What is self-improvement? Self-improvement is the intentional process of enhancing one's knowledge, skills, character, and overall well-being. It involves setting personal goals and actively working towards them to become a better version of oneself. This continuous journey encompasses various aspects of life, including mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual growth. Key areas of self-improvement. 1. Personal development. Skills and talents, improving abilities such as communication, leadership, and technical skills. Knowledge, expanding understanding through reading, education, and learning new concepts. Habits, developing positive daily routines and breaking unproductive habits. 2. Emotional well-being. Emotional intelligence, enhancing the ability to recognize, understand, and manage emotions. Stress management, learning techniques to handle stress effectively. Relationships, building and maintaining healthy relationships with family, friends, and colleagues. 3. Physical health. Exercise, incorporating regular physical activity to maintain fitness and health. Nutrition, eating a balanced diet to nourish the body. Health checkups, regular medical checkups to monitor and maintain health. 4. Mental growth. Cognitive skills, engaging in activities that challenge and expand the mind, such as puzzles and strategic games. Lifelong learning, continuously seeking new knowledge and skills through courses, workshops, and self-study. 5. Spiritual growth. Personal beliefs, exploring and understanding personal values and beliefs. Purpose and meaning, finding and pursuing what gives life meaning and direction. Why self-improvement matters. 1. Enhanced quality of life. Holistic well-being. Self-improvement enhances mental, emotional, and physical health, leading to a balanced and fulfilling life. Life satisfaction. Personal growth contributes to a deeper sense of contentment and joy in everyday experiences. 2. Increased self-awareness. Introspection, understanding oneself better through reflection and self-examination. Informed decisions, greater self-awareness leads to better decision-making and life choices. 3. Greater achievement of goals. Goal setting, establishing clear, achievable goals provides a sense of purpose and direction. Persistence, developing resilience and determination to overcome obstacles and achieve objectives. 4. Improved relationships. Communication skills, enhancing the ability to express oneself clearly and listen effectively. Empathy, developing the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, leading to stronger connections. 5. Enhanced resilience. Coping mechanisms, building strategies to handle stress, setbacks, and failures. Positive outlook, maintaining a constructive and optimistic perspective even in challenging times. 6. Increased productivity and efficiency. Time management, learning to prioritize tasks and manage time effectively. Focus and discipline, cultivating the ability to concentrate on goals and stay committed to tasks. 7. Boosted self-confidence. Self-esteem, achieving personal goals and acquiring new skills boosts confidence. Risk-taking, increased self-assurance encourages taking on new challenges and opportunities. 8. Continual growth and adaptation. Adaptability, staying relevant and capable in a rapidly changing world through continuous learning and growth. Innovation, embracing new ideas and approaches, fostering creativity and innovation. 9. Contribution to society. Mentorship, sharing knowledge and experiences to help others grow. Volunteering, contributing time and effort to community service and social causes. 10. Fulfillment and happiness. Personal satisfaction, the pursuit of self-improvement leads to a deeper sense of fulfillment. Happiness, continuous growth, and achievement contribute to long-term happiness and well-being. Practical steps for self-improvement. 1. Set clear goals. Define specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Break down large goals into smaller, manageable steps. 2. Develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges and view failures as opportunities to learn. Be open to feedback and willing to adapt. 3. Create a plan. Develop a structured plan to achieve your goals. Set deadlines and monitor progress regularly. 4. Cultivate positive habits. Identify habits that support your goals and integrate them into your daily routine. Use habit tracking tools to maintain consistency. 5. Seek knowledge and learning opportunities. Read books, take online courses, and attend workshops related to your areas of interest. Surround yourself with knowledgeable and supportive people. 6. Practice self-care. Prioritize physical health through regular exercise and a balanced diet. Ensure adequate rest and relaxation to maintain mental and emotional well-being. 7. Reflect and adjust. Regularly reflect on your progress and experiences. Make necessary adjustments to your plans and strategies based on what you learn. Self-improvement is a vital and ongoing process that enhances every aspect of life. By committing to personal growth, individuals can lead more fulfilling, productive, and meaningful lives, contributing positively to their communities and the world at large. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.